Migori ne johand wuoth mag boda boda Mosanya County ma Homa Bay, johand boda boda e county nogono ma Homa Bay koro wuok oko mar konyo e tieko wach iye momondo mag nyithindo ma nyiri matindo ma bende koro yudo iye ma kamago. Apisa mar Amref Beatrice Oluoch wacho ni nitiere dwaro mondo koro county no kod Kenya mangima obed anena motang' ka koro gi dwaro kendo kineno kaka inyalo geng' duok chien bende wach iye to kod terruok masani koro keto Homa Bay County namba 2 pacho kae mangima gi kwan atamalo 40 bang' county ma Narok. Harrison Ochola kwajo boda boda mondo koro bi kanya achiel konyo tieko nikech kinde mathoth jo boda boda ge ma bende koro itudo kod weche mag terruok nyithindo mago mantie bwegi na 18. Jakom boda boda Homa Bay County Evans Odhiambo Otieno wacho ni koro gibiro wuotho sub counties duto te ma Homa Bay ene ni koro gipuonjo jowetegi.
More so in these counties that are mostly affected, so that we can have a candid conversation in terms of comprehensive, age-appropriate comprehensive sexuality education for in school and out of school. Because the issue is more than the county, the issue is more than the country. Because being that Kenya is ranking 3rd, actually this is now something that we should not take lightly and we should not normalize it. It's a thing that now all parents and all stakeholders, even the private partners, to come together so that we fight the fight and make the girl child thrive. County government are developing the county integrated development plans, and I believe there can be a budget line specifically for adolescents, youth and reproductive health, and also they can also bring in social economic empowerment in terms of stakeholders, so that these issues of poverty, period poverty, and also issues of adolescents being missing in school and looking for funds elsewhere can be addressed well. And we believe that they are now getting inputs from all stakeholders and community. I believe this is now for the county government to prioritize in terms of helping the young people and also more so focusing priority.
Which are so much rampant in Homa Bay County, and it has been perceived that it is boda sector which are causing unintended pregnancy in Homa Bay County, something which is not right. And today they got an opportunity to create awareness in Homa Bay Town, and we as Power to Youth, we are really working so hard to ensure that we reduce cases of teenage pregnancy in Homa Bay County, and we do this in Rocho North and in the sub counties. It is known, and it is something which is happening all over, that teenage pregnancies arise in Homa Bay County compared to other counties. Currently we are number 2, and when you come back to Homa Bay, Lolwe is leading, and then followed by Rocho North. For the last 1 year, teenage pregnancy cases has been on rise, just the way I said earlier, with Homa Bay leading among the counties in Kenya. Homa Bay is number 2 with 40%, which is surpassing national level, which is at 18%. So far, when we come back to Homa Bay, Lolwe is leading with 3,000.